How to share and move project in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. After you have done editing, simply click on Export on top. After that, select Quality and you will find Export option. Click on Export and you'll find Open Folder option on the same page on bottom left. Simply click on Open Folder and it will be saved in this file. It will directly lead you to the folder that the video is saved in, as you can see. And this is how to share and move project in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.